Testing risky software safely is possible with a clever Windows feature. In this video, we will explain how to use Windows Sandbox. The Sandbox is a temporary, isolated version of Windows that runs inside your main system. Anything you do inside it, like installing a suspicious program or visiting an unknown website, stays completely separated from your real computer. When you close the Sandbox, everything inside it disappears, leaving no trace behind. This makes it perfect for testing untrusted files, trying new software, or browsing safely. To use it, you first need a compatible edition of Windows, such as Pro or Enterprise. Enable it by searching for Turn Windows features on or off, then checking the Windows Sandbox box and restarting. After that, simply launch Windows Sandbox from the Start menu. A fresh, clean desktop appears in a window ready for your experiments. Whatever you install or download stays trapped safely inside. When you are done, just close the window and it all vanishes. The Sandbox is a fantastic safety tool, letting you explore without ever putting your main system at risk.